One on the top one was started I'm kwani do pepe. And so we have to support this one as well. And Zyiku, new music internal bleeding only. Let me introduce this beautiful song to you.
Zyiku, internal breathing.
Internal breathing. That way for the workout.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie.
As a beautiful people from DJ Park Correction, share wahana chede bezin komo na catch all the images will be dropping yoman or the bram na yoman kama. I can't sit over it. I'll definitely have to share this beautiful music with you. And to my brother be hitting me up. What friend is Zyiku GH na a pen was social media bohun nazana. I say padina tron yumi bia. It's a human contents and a lyrical pillars no sister human strong papa. Now your title is the internal bleeding. Now I'm going to use this opportunity to introduce this musician to you. I'm not only introducing the musician, but I'm introducing our friend internal bleeding. Man or badwa. Man or bedroom hunde or a force and a bottle. Now, what's his off food? We are panos in a whoopin. In see junior Brady or put effort in the work he's an idea or then see you to me supporting. In see, and you're going to title me internal bleeding. We are going to do a lesson into this video now. Why you visualizer on your official video no, or the visualizer biaba. Now, one bomb was na ye mayen say, you mean ye support the brother and a career and a kaka because I say, one on the top one was started I'm kwani do pepe. And so we have to support this one as well. And Zyiku, new music internal bleeding only. Let me introduce this beautiful song to you.
Zyiku, internal breathing.
That way for the workout.
What kill you in silence?
About 4 kilos of silence
over my dead body.
On Badoda.
Ghana to the what?
Whoa!
Time for long.
Yeah, Mr. NK on the beat.
That would be true. You may be too much or wakuma no too much in silence. Better the one who konye ye. And yam penatre some crampo, isn't penatre to he built a treatment to be obedient by one can say when they boy one a casson ye. And that's a show mobile ham and peccasa better be saying. Or the jebby gunaso on tumin genado, no man internal bleeding at cheddar or bleed wanimu. So be care internal bleeding at cheddar and retreat so be on to me pray. When you came back to no reason, yeah, one of our friend internal bleeding.
Kill him in silence. Moloco do a macumemo. Ole kill him in silence. Nah, Moloco do I did it on that. Ole kill him in silence.
Brother, yeah, man, would that? Obisa do the kind of today because I the besibiat in our church too much. Wait on what that's actually able to have for now. So I wouldn't care what character you want. I said, brother, I'll show you with every way you broke it heart. Because you can feel it in the expression in the song. Okay, Zyiku, you mean all the streaming platform DSP in the title internal bleeding. If you really want to support this talent, Zyiku GHR, Pochaba Mozana streaming in your maybe share more bison and Sankeni. Now catch any as a pardon talents, nor a woman your man tap on the shoulder. On your strong and then your man when your broken hands was that true. Oh, Baba Chara. or beside true love and how it there, like how does true love look like, or the kind of and then fancy castle be the kind simple means as true love. Into this is Zyiku GH new song internal bleeding or marketing, but more than a baby streaming. I say brother, ne hot. Or a heart. I mean, when I say heart, you know what I mean? Yes, indeed, guys. This is my support for a brother. Let me know what you also think about this song. Rate it down there. I'm out of here.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.